I've come to Swansea to meet a group of Welsh learners at BT to hopefully inspire them to speak Welsh to a really good level, hopefully fluent, because I think it's really important to learn Welsh. It's been important to me, and I think it could be really important to them. I think the thing I found the most difficult about learning Welsh was finding the time to learn the words and to learn the sentences, particularly when you have a full-time job. So I think the most important thing is to find small bits of time every day and really be quite strict with yourself doing it every single day. And by doing that, you build up your chest of words, your treasure chest of sentences, and before long you've actually got quite a lot of words that you can use. But I mean, of many of the messages that I'll give, and one of them today is that actually think about this as a long-term thing, that in 3, 4, 5 years time you will be a Welsh speaker, and I think that's, you know, it's really good to try and focus on that. And there are lots of things you do in your life that will be long projects. You know, some of you might be married, or you might run a marathon. You know, those things take time, and you set a target and you work at it, and there are highs and lows along the way. And that if you really sort of try and think of it as something that you know, at the end of it, I'm going to be a Welsh speaker, and that's something that I think can be really positive. Mae'n pwysig I adeiladu hyder pan ti'n dysgu Cymraeg neu unrhyw iaith. A dwi'n meddwl mae'n pwysig i ddim y poeni pan ti'n neud cymgymeriadau, just neud e, just sort of taflu dy hunain mewn y iaith. A tas ti'n neud cymgymeriadau, dim ots. Dros amser, fydde di ddim yn neud yr un cymgymeriadau eto. My wife, about a year after I'd been taking my daughter to this nursery, said, "You know, you've been mixing up the words for face and shoulders." So basically, for literally a year, I'd been at the nursery group going, "Lily, do you want to see my face? Do you want to see my face?" Absolutely. I mean, it's absolutely mortifying. Can you imagine? I mean, seriously. I think the most important thing when you're learning a language is to be confident, and that can be quite difficult when you're making lots of mistakes. But the important thing with that is to actually make the mistakes, because once you make them, you probably won't be making those same mistakes again. So throw yourself into it and make mistakes, and you will build on confidence that you have.